This is the part second video of the chapter number 10, motion and measurement of distance. In the part first video, I explained you about that what are the learning outcomes from this chapter, means what we are going to learn from this chapter. Total 8 topics are there which we have to learn. So today I am going to start with the two topics, that first, that I written second last topic, seventh number, things around us and the types of motion. थिंग्स अराउंड अस मींस के सर हम बताएंगे हमारे आजू बाजू की चीजें, वो थिंग्स अराउंड अस हो गया, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट मोशन, हाउ वी विल कम टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द मोशन ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हिच आर अराउंड योर्स. आपके आजू बाजू में चीजें हैं उनका मोशन कैसे है. हाउ यू विल कम टू नो अबाउट द मोशन दैट व्हिच थिंग्स आर सराउंडेड बाय यू, तो ऑन व्हिच मोशन दे आर मूविंग, उनका मोशन कौन सा है. नाउ यू आर सेइंग सर फैन इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग, हमारे सराउंडिंग में वो भी है, तो उसका मोशन कैसे होगा. ऑफ कोर्स उसका मोशन भी है. फैन इज मूविंग, द व्हील ऑफ बाइसाइकिल इज मूविंग, द व्हील ऑफ कार इज मूविंग, द ऑल these have a motion because they are moving from one place to another place. In yesterday's I explained you the story of transport, how to measure a desk, how wide is this desk, means okay, totally the chapter is related to mathematics according to me only, because motion and measurement is a topic of maths only, right. So we have to measure the things, and we have also measured the distance between one place to another place. Means suppose okay, in ancient time I have told you people are not having a proper kind of tools to measure the distance between from one place to another place. In ancient time people are using their fist, fingers, foot, all these body parts only they are using to measure the distance from one place to another place. But the actual distance they are not getting, because the size of the hand, the size of the fist, the size of the arm, foot of all peoples are different. So means they are not getting what is the actual measurement from one place to another place. Yeah, what suppose they are purchasing vegetable, they are buying milk, so they are not getting in proper quantity, because they are not having that kind of measurement tapes to measure the things in a proper way. So the scientists have developed the measuring tape to measure and to give the solution for this. Then ancient time you also know that transportation facilities were not there, right. So how people are moving, to they are using, they are walking from one place to another place. But after the invention of wheel, after the invention of steam engine, airports, then so many sciences kept remarkable efforts in the all the things, right. The steam engine bana, then train hui, the people have started traveling train, then aeroplanes, activas, whatever it is. So in ancient time people have suffered a lot of problems, but धीरे धीरे सब कुछ जैसे बिल्कुल according to जैसे we are having all the things, right. So now moving to today's topic, that first is things around us and the second is types of motion. Now things around us, you have to see सराउंडिंग बाय योर्स, के आपके बाजू में कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं. यू हैव टू लुक कि विच थिंग्स आर देयर सराउंडिंग यू. सपोज मेरे सराउंडिंग में हाउस है. नाउ यू हैव टू मेक अ टू कॉलम, दैट फर्स्ट कॉलम ऑब्जेक्ट व्हिच आर एट रेस्ट एंड सेकंड कॉलम इज ऑब्जेक्ट व्हिच आर एट मोशन. कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट पे हैं एंड व्हिच ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर इन मोशन. Then you have to make this table in your notebook, and you have to see which things are surrounded by a house. Suppose which things are surrounded by you, तो कौन सी चीजें आपके बाजू में हैं. तो सबसे पहले मेरे सपोज in front of me house is there, तो house is at rest or is at motion. house कभी अपनी जगह से उठ के और कहीं जाता है, no, means house कहाँ पर है, वो is at rest. Now what about a flying bird in the sky, वो fly कर रहा है sky में, तो रेस्ट तो नहीं कर रहा है. व्हाट बर्ड इज डूइंग, बर्ड इज डूइंग मोशन. तो वी विल राइट फ्लाइंग बर्ड, राइट. हाउस इज एट रेस्ट एंड फ्लाइंग बर्ड, व्हिच इज द फ्लाइंग बर्ड इज डूइंग मोशन. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स टेबल, मेरे बाजू में टेबल है. द बोर्ड इज देयर व्हिच आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग द वीडियो. सो बोर्ड अपने आप खड़ा होकर इट विल गो आउट ऑफ द क्लास, नो, बोर्ड यहीं रहेगा. तो हम यहां लिखेंगे बोर्ड इज एट रेस्ट, राइट. The benches are there in your classroom. तो ऐसा होता है after you are leaving the school, the benches are also leaving with you. No, it is not possible. The benches are also at rest. The things which will not move from one place to another place means they are not doing any kind of motion, they are at complete rest only. As these are the non-living things, house will not go from one place to another, board also and bench also. So what they are doing, they are at rest only. Now in motion we can write the hand of seconds in a clock. So it is a moving only, वो चलता ही रहता है, it will never stop. When battery is over, then the clock is stopped. So seconds hand of clock. So what is doing? It's doing a motion. Seconds hand of clock means what I have done, the things which are at rest and with the things which are in motion I have classified, because now we have to see what kind of motion they are doing. Flying bird and the seconds hand of clock means what kind of motion they are doing. These are at rest means they will not do any kind of motion, but these are doing motion. So which type of motion they are doing, we have to learn about that. Okay, so now I am erasing this, the rest of motion. Let's see about the motion. First of all, let's see the definition of motion. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to a fixed point in a given time interval. Means कोई object और motion में कब बोलते हैं, when object को अपनी position change करे fixed point पे और given time interval पे, that is known as a motion. Means hands of a clock, they are moving, चलते रहते हैं वो. Flying bird, stone is falling from the stone गिर रहा है ऊपर से, तो an object is said to be in a motion if it changes its position with respect to a fixed point in a given time interval. मतलब अपनी fixed point में ही वो changes करे. आपने देखा है clock के जो hands होते हैं वो clock के अंदर ही they are moving inside the clock only. Have you seen the clock बाहर आ वो hands बाहर आ गए they are moving? No, it is not possible. So object motion में कब होता है, when it changes its position at a fixed point only and at a given time interval. जब given time interval पे वो अपना position change करता है fixed point पे, that object is known as motion. That object is known as the motion. Again see definition, and you have to write the definition this of the motion in your textbook. And object means कोई भी चीज, उसको motion में कब बोला जाएगा? An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to a fixed point at a given time interval. मतलब the time interval which is given to an object and it changes its position at a fixed point only, it is known as a motion. Now there are the four types of motion. First one is, you are seeing rectilinear motion, another motion is curved motion, third one is circular motion, and fourth one is periodic motion. There are two types of motion which I am going to cover in this video. The first one is rectilinear motion and second one is curved motion. As I have told, four types of motions are there. But in this video I am going to explain the two types of motion because this is a new topic for you and you will not learn very quickly. So two motions I will teach in this video, another two motions I will teach in the part 3rd video. Now let us see the rectilinear motion. What is the meaning of this? The motion in which an object moves along a straight line. Means a motion in which the object is there which is moving along a straight line. मतलब उसका movement हो रहा है, but कैसे movement हो रहा है? In a straight line only. I have told you in motion definition में, when an object changes its position at a fixed point at a given interval of time is known as motion. अब rectilinear motion means वो object का motion हुआ है, but कैसे motion कर रहा है वो? In a straight line only. In a straight line only वो object move करे तो उस motion को बोलते हैं rectilinear motion. Now what is the example of this? Bullet fixed from a gun. Bullet fired from a gun. अभी I am having gun, अब मैं इससे bullet fire करूँगा तो सीधी जाएगी वो, it will यहाँ से वहाँ तो नहीं जाएगी, it goes straight only. तो किसका example हुआ? Rectilinear motion. Another example I will give about that वाटर फ्रॉम द टैप वो स्ट्रेट लाइन में ही आएगा। पर जो भी चीज स्ट्रेट लाइन में नीचे चलती है दैट इज नोन एज रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन। द अनदर नेम ऑफ दिस मोशन इज आल्सो नोन एज लीनियर मोशन। Rectilinear motion or linear motion are the both words, same meaning is there. If suppose I am asking in exam what is linear motion, so don't be confused, the definition will be same only. The motion in which an object moves along in a straight line, it is known as a rectilinear motion. Now curved motion, curved means you know curve क्या होता है? The motion in which an object moves along a curve, मतलब motion हो ऑब्जेक्ट का कर्व में, इन अ कर्व लाइन जो टेढ़ी मेढ़ी जाती है ऐसे लाइक दिस इज अ कर्व लाइन, ऐसे जाके इसका मोशन हो, इट इज कॉल्ड अ कर्व्ड मोशन। दैट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ मोशन ऑफ एंड। यू हैव सीन एंड समटाइम इट डू रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन आल्सो एंड समटाइम इट डू कर्व्ड मोशन, मतलब वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट नहीं है, it changes its direction again and again and is changing its direction again and again. So means whenever the object do its motion in a curve, so it is known as a curved motion. So example, motion of ant. In rectilinear motion, I can give an example, it's bullet fixed from a gun. In a curved motion, a motion of a ant. फिर से मोशन डेफिनेशन सुन लो। जब ऑब्जेक्ट मूव हो in a position, an object is said to be in motion if it changes position. जब पोजीशन चेंज करो अपनी with respect to a fixed point and at a given time interval, पोजीशन चेंज की at fixed point पर ही और जो टाइम इंटरवल है उस पे उसको मोशन बोलते हैं। फोर टाइप के मोशन है, टू मोशंस वी हैव स्टडीड। रेक्टिलिनियर मींस अ मोशन, उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट अपना मोशन स्ट्रेट लाइन में करे, ऑब्जेक्ट अपना मोशन स्ट्रेट लाइन में करे, उसको बोलते हैं रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन। मींस अ बुलेट fired from a gun or a water from a tap, so they are moving in a straight line only, so they are a rectilinear motion. Example, curved motion means object do its motion along a curve, मतलब curve के साथ मूवमेंट करे, वो एग्जांपल था मोशन ऑफ अ ant. So I hope you understood about two type of motion and what is the meaning of motion. Just copy these three definitions in the notebook and you have to learn these all definition. And one homework I want to give you about the motion only, you have to write a 5 example of rectilinear motion and 5 example of curved motion. जो straight line में motion करे ऑब्जेक्ट उसके एग्जांपल लिखने हैं, जो कर्व में मोशन ऑब्जेक्ट करे उसके आपको एग्जांपल 5 लिखने हैं in notebook only where you are writing this definition, and I will check during online session. And another two motions which are pending, I will explain you in the part 3rd video. So thank you and have a nice day.